Hey, it's Hannah with WTI coming to you from under my desk to show you the best flat plug surge protector that I have ever had. Meet the AiJoy 12000J Power Strip Tower, your ultimate charging powerhouse. It has a clever flat plug and a slender 6.5 foot cord, so it will seamlessly tuck behind your desk, couch, nightstand, wherever you want to put it with no more clutter. Now, I prefer having mine under my desk because of my desk setup, but this is honestly cute enough to keep out on your nightstand or on the top of your desk for easier access. Surge protection, overload, and short circuit safeguards in a fire resistant shell will keep the 14 different devices you can charge all at once powered and protected. If you want to maximize the amount of power that you can have while protecting your devices and looking super cute, this surge protector is the perfect thing for you. I absolutely recommend it. And that's my point of view.